Hello everyone and welcome to Adobe After Effects 2022 Ultimate Guide. In this video we're going to go over a course overview of what we're going to be learning throughout the course. So in section 2 we're going to do a deep dive into Creative Cloud plans and pricing, so we'll cover individuals, business, students and teachers, and schools and universities. Then we'll learn how to create a Creative Cloud account for free, and then we'll talk about Creative Cloud Web in section 3, and also learn how to install After Effects in section 3. In section 4, we're going to be talking about the welcome page. So we'll cover all of these buttons here. So how to create a new project, how to open a project, home, learn, new team project, how to open a team project, how to search, what's new in After Effects, and also we'll talk about account, and we'll talk about all that interesting stuff there, okay? Then we're going to build out a project. So I'm going to use the final project that I built as an example, but we're going to build out a simple project, and then we're going to look at the file menu. So file, edit, composition, layer, effect, animation, view, window, and help. And what I meant by file menu was main menu, okay? Then in the Windows panel, we're going to talk about workspaces, and then we're going to cover all of the panels here that are inside of After Effects. Then we'll go and dive into the preferences and talk about general, previews, display, import, output, grids and guides, labels, media and disk caches, or cache, video preview, appearance, new project, autosave, memory and performance, audio hardware, audio output mapping, sync settings, type, scripting, and expressions, 3D, and notifications. Okay. From there, we'll learn about the tools, which you can see here. And then we'll finish up a simpler project than this with those tools and learn how to use the tools with an actual project, okay? Then we're gonna get to the fun part of the course where we're gonna build out not one, but 30 projects. And the key to this is repetition and practice, okay? And I'm gonna help you to practice and teach you and walk you through step by step how to edit my promo videos and add some effects to it by going to my website, which is learntechprojectfiles.com, to grab the zip files that I have. In fact, let's take a look at that right now. So we're going to go to this website. I'm going to open up a new window here, and we're going to go to learntechprojectfiles.com. We're going to go to After Effects 2022 projects, and you can see right here all of the project files that we're going to be looking at. Okay, so it goes from a logo to a promo video to all of these promo videos that we're going to be building with all these different files and different things like that. And I'll walk you through step by step each one of those. We're going to have a great time, okay? I'm telling you right now, it's going to be a lot of fun. And then we'll wrap the course up with a summary and a thank you video of what we learned throughout the course. So with that, I want to tell you one thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.